everyone, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. My name is Donna Michelle, for those of you who are new to my channel. What we're going to be doing today is making buttermilk princess pink waffles. Yes, we're going to be coloring them pink, and we're also going to be adding some confetti sprinkles into there. I don't like the basic buttermilk complete mix by itself because it's just not sweet enough to me. So I'm going to be adding some sugar, and I'm also going to be adding some almond extract. On this channel, I do not share any of my recipes from scratch, but if you're looking for those recipes, you can visit my baking channel, which is Recipes by Donna Michelle. But on this vlog, we're going to be keeping it short, sweet, and simple. So we're going to be using Pearl Milling Company's Buttermilk Complete Mix, which is formerly known as Aunt Jemima. We're also going to be making some caramel milk. So I'm not sure if any of you have actually tried. I know they sell they have like chocolate milk, strawberry milk, and just plain oat milk. But caramel milk is actually very, very good. So I'm actually going to be doing that as well. It's very simple. You're pretty much just adding just caramel spouts inside the milk, and you're just mixing it up and just adding a little bit of sugar. I'm going to go ahead and start heating up the waffle iron, and then we're going to get started. Alrighty everyone, we're back. So I already got the waffle iron heated. I have the 1.5 cups of milk, and I also have the 2 cups of the complete buttermilk waffle mix. I also have some sugar. It's about a little bit less than 1/4 cup of sugar. It's probably a little bit less than that. It's not too much, just enough so that way it's sweet and it has a taste. I'm going to pour the almond extract inside the milk, and I'm also going to pour the sugar inside the milk as well, and then I'm going to mix it up. So that way it's kind of like the milk is kind of flavored, and then I'm going to add the complete mix into the milk, and then I'm going to mix it up, okay? I'm just going to do about 1/4 of a cup. And now I'm going to mix it up. Now I'm going to add complete mix. And we're going to add the food coloring after the mix is ready, as well as sprinkles as well. Alrighty, so the mix is ready. Of course, when you're mixing up mix pancake and waffle mix, it's going to be a little bit of clumps. That's natural. They're going to melt once the heat touches them. So it's nothing to be really anxious about. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to do one swatch. I think I'm just going to do one swatch. And I'm also going to add these sprinkles. You guys get to see it turn pink. You guys can see that. The batter. Looks so cute and pretty. so you guys can pretty much see that through the glass. That's how it looks. Looks delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and spray the waffle iron, and then we're going to pour the mix inside. And this is when, once you put it down, once the ready sign turns red or orange or whatever, you know your waffle is ready. So we're going to go ahead and spray this. To make sure it doesn't stick. I know some of it's going to come out the side, but it's alrighty. Alright, I think these are fully cooked. So what I'm going to do is so this is how it looks. Very cute and pink. Ouch. Hot. Now these ones are like very, very cute. And then what we're going to do is going to put some butter, and I'm going to put the syrup on it. Alright, so I got the butter. Let me know what kind of butter y'all like to use on your pancakes and waffles. I like the plant-based. Just the earth one that comes in the yellow container. But it tastes just like butter. I also like Land O'Lakes butter as well, because it's like authentically butter. But leave in the comment section what kind of butter you like to put on your pancakes and waffles. Also what kind of syrup you like to use, whether you like to use Mrs. Butterworth's, or they used to be Aunt Jemima, now it's, you know, Pearl Millings syrup. Or if you like to use maple syrup. I like maple syrup. When I was younger, when I was like a little girl, I did not like maple syrup. I don't know why. It was just something about the taste, I did not like it. But now that I'm older now, for some reason, sometimes I kind of crave some maple syrup on my pancakes. But today I'm not using maple syrup. I'm going to be using Mrs. Butterworth's. Now we're going to pour it over. Waffles like absorb syrup, so I like to make sure it's enough so I don't have to keep reapplying it. Alrighty, thank you so much you guys for having breakfast with me. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this. This looks so delicious. Let me know what you guys like to make for breakfast. You know, how you make your pancakes, how you make your waffles. Let me know in the comment section. First, I'm going to try it a piece first. This looks really good. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. This is how it looks. Pretty good. I'll put syrup down my hand. Delicious. Alright, you guys, now time for the caramel milk. So I already have the milk inside the glass. Now I'm going to add the sugar and the caramel, and then I'm just going to mix it up, and that's how you do it. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in the sugar, and just with some caramel. I'm not sure if you guys can see it change colors, but it just turned into like a little light tan. It's delicious. Thank you all so much for tuning in to the baby doll vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed having breakfast with me. Do me a favor, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that way you'll be able to hear the next time I post up a new video. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.